Whoa! Hi there, awesome viewers! I'm Zovi, and welcome to Kids Kitchen Corner, where cooking is totally fun, and friendship makes everything taste super duper better. Today, we're gonna make something cheesy and excellent. Can you guess? That's right, a cheese omelet. But before we start, I gotta tell you something super important. Always, always, always ask a grown-up for permission and help before using any kitchen stuff or the stove. Safety first, taste buds second. Now let's get cooking. We'll need a pan, some eggs, cheese, and... Uh-oh! Whoa there, little sis. The kitchen's no place for monkey business. Remember, kids, the kitchen can be dangerous if you're not careful. Always have an adult around when you're cooking. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, we need a whisk to beat our eggs.
Did someone say whisk?
Whoa, a talking whisk? That's awesome! Wow, a real talking whisk. Am I dreaming? Ouch, nope, not dreaming.
The name's Whiskey, young chef, and I'm here to help you whip up the best omelet ever.
But kitchen tools don't usually talk. Should I trust you?
Trust me? Why, I'm the whisker of wisdom, the beater of breakfast, the...
Okay, I get it. You're exactly what I need.
First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Remember, kids, always ask an adult before opening the fridge.
Uh-oh, runaway eggs!
I've got this. Phew, that was a close one.
Wow, Whiskey. You're really flexible and quick. Whoopsie.
And that's why we always clean up spills right away, kids. Safety and tidiness go hand in hand in the kitchen.
Thanks, Whiskey. You're the best kitchen helper ever. Now let's get cooking. Okay, awesome chefs. It's time to crack some eggs. Whoopsie daisy. Looks like this egg wants to make a run for it. Hey, come back here, you silly egg. Yes, I did it.
Great job, Zovi. Now let's beat those eggs like we're drumming for a rock band.
Rock and roll, eggs. Oops, I guess I'm a little too egg-sided.
Remember, kids, slow and steady wins the race and makes less mess.
Got it. Now let's add some cheese.
Whoa there, cheese champion. Let's save some for the omelet. We'll add it while it's cooking.
Oh, right, thanks, Whiskey. Now to the stove.
Remember what we always say about the stove, Zovi?
Right. Always have a grown-up helper when using the stove. Did you hear that, kids? Safety first. Sizzle, sizzle, it's working. Uh-oh, is it supposed to do that?
Quick, turn down the heat. The stove's too hot.
Which one? This one? Oops.
This one, chef. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Whew! That was a close one. You know what, Whiskey? I think I'm getting the hang of this. Cooking is quite an adventure, but I'm learning so much. Uh-oh, do you smell something but burning? Oh no, it's ruined. Ah! Make it stop. I can't do this. I'm a terrible cook.
Hey now, don't say that. Even the best chefs make mistakes sometimes.
But I wanted to make something awesome for everyone watching. Now they'll think I'm just a silly kid who can't cook.
We're all here to help, Zovi. That's what friends do in the kitchen. What do we always say about mistakes?
They're chances to learn and do better.
That's right. So, are you ready to try again?
You bet I am. Let's make the best omelet ever. Okay, awesome viewers, let's give this another shot. Alright, awesome viewers. It's time to make the best cheese omelet ever. Are you ready for some egg-siding cooking? Remember, low heat, patience, and lots of cheesy goodness. Now we wait until the edges start to set, just like that. Time for the star of the show. Say cheese, everyone. Huh, look, the omelet is smiling at us. It knows how egg-sided we are.
Now for the big flip, Zovi.
I did it! I really did it! Ta-da! The perfect cheese omelet. It's excellent. And that's how you make a cheese omelet, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment with a recipe you'd like to see.
If we choose your recipe, we'll include your name in the video.
And remember, always cook with an adult's help. Until next time, keep cooking and stay awesome. Like, comment, and subscribe to Kids Kitchen Corner.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Kids Kitchen Corner.